Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel, the #1 resource for influencers, creatives, and small business owners to help you understand social media better and grow your business. Today's video is all about how to find content ideas for 2022. I know that when it comes to content, thinking of what to post is one of the #1 frustrations that many business owners and creatives have. So today's video is talking all about that. So if you want to know where you can find content ideas so that you're not stressed out anymore, keep watching this video. So we all know that content is king, but how do you even come up with content ideas? Michelle, I don't know what to post. I don't know where to find content videos, or I don't know where to find content photos to help me. I don't know where to find stock photos. Don't worry, I got you covered, friend. In this video, I'm going to share with you a few places where you can find content or ideas, how you can come up with content, all those things, right? But first, I want to let you know that the reason why content is so important is because content helps you develop that like, know, and trust with your audience. The more you create consistent, educational, valuable content, the more your audience will like, know, and trust you. So content is king, and don't forget that. There has been an increase in so many businesses jumping on the social media and Instagram bandwagon, but a lot of businesses lack where it comes to creating content because they don't have enough ideas. So the first place where you can find content ideas is Pinterest. Oh my goodness! Pinterest is one of the top platforms that I utilize to find content ideas. If you type in anything in Pinterest, I promise you that you will get a result of so many amazing things and so many different content ideas. If you just type in Instagram, it will come up Instagram tips, how to utilize Instagram video tips, so many different ideas and content ideas for you on Pinterest. So definitely make sure to utilize that platform. That's probably the #1 platform that I use to search for content ideas. The next place that I find content ideas is Canva. Canva is bae. So there are so many different templates and content ideas on Canva. It's crazy. It's literally become the number 2 platform for me to find content ideas. Definitely, if you have Canva Pro, which I hope that you do, you'll be able to use stock photos, which is content. You'll be able to also utilize their templates for videos. They have templates for Instagram posts, templates for Facebook posts, templates for everything. So definitely make sure that you utilize Canva because it is an amazing resource to find content. You can also find content on ideas on different blogs online. One of the blogs that I like to find content ideas is Social Media Today. It is one of the top resources that I utilize when I'm looking for different content ideas. They always have the latest and greatest social media news, so it's easy for me to come up with content ideas based on the articles that they share. Another place to find content ideas is Instagram. Yes, Instagram. Instagram is a great place for you to find content ideas. Searching through hashtags is one of the ways that I find really niche specific topics that I want to talk about. So utilize the hashtag feature and go through the content to see what content resonates with you and your brand and what you could use. Another way that you can find content ideas is to join other people's email list. This is a nugget that I'm sure no one wants to share with you. Yes, you can find content ideas by subscribing to other people's email lists. I like to call this my little special golden nugget, but subscribing to other people's email lists will definitely help you if you are looking for content ideas, and especially if that person is within the same niche as you. Do not steal their exact ideas, but you can get inspiration from their content. So definitely that is a way that a lot of people come up with content ideas as well. You can also search Twitter. So many different Twitter topics are trending, and you can use those Twitter topics and ideas for content. So Twitter is definitely a good place for you to find content ideas. Don't sleep on Twitter. Don't sleep on the Twitter search feature either. If you type in social media, there will be so many posts and so many tweets that come up surrounding that topic, and you can definitely gain insight and new ideas from searching on Twitter. So these are just a few ways on how you can find content ideas for social media in 2022. I hope that this video was helpful for you. If you want more content ideas and to be a part of an amazing Facebook community, make sure to click the link below to join the Expand Your Influence Facebook group. We would love to have you, so make sure you click the link down below to join us today. I want to thank you all so much for tuning into today's video. I hope that you found these tips helpful, and now that you are able to go out and create amazing content, know where to find the content, and know exactly what you should post. Thank you all so much, and I will talk to you all in the next one. Peace.